Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Corolla door handle. First, gather your tools. A Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool are essential. You'll also need a new door handle assembly, which you can find online or at an auto parts store. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, and consider wearing gloves for comfort and safety. This preparation ensures a smooth replacement process. Now, let's get to removing the old handle. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel. Use your trim removal tool to avoid scratching the plastic. Once the panel is loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for power windows or locks. Finally, locate and unbolt the old door handle from its mounting points, usually 2 or 3 screws, and detach any connecting rods. With the old handle out, it's time to install the new one. First, connect the new door handle to the existing connecting rods, ensuring they're properly seated. Then, align the new handle with its mounting points and secure it firmly with the bolts you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is snug. Finally, reconnect all electrical components to the door panel before reattaching it to the door frame. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel. Make sure all the clips align and snap into place securely. Once the panel is back on, give your new door handle a thorough test. Open and close the door several times and check both the interior and exterior handles to ensure they operate smoothly and latch correctly. This confirms your successful replacement. Also, for other great deals, and to find out more about those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.